Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome. How na dey my people? This one not just for across all of us, right? Both abroad and all of us where we did the Nigeria. Okay, in a quick one, don't forget, I won't show now the secret behind all this lotion wey we dey make for everywhere. All of una dey see. This one will come up, you could do your own. That one will come, we will do our own. Everybody just keep doing. I want to show you the secret how you can make a lotion without any side effect, and it will be very good on you. And I decided to use some, basic stuff items that we know, just regular items. So I will be starting with this. We'll be using this one. This is our base. You all know this Body Face Beauty Milk. You all know this. Very okay. You know this is one of the lotion I will always advise you to use. Basically, if you don't want to tone much, you don't want to say, for those of us who say I don't want to tone much, I just want this mild, tone. This is what will give you this mild tone you need. This is what we give you. Alright, so we'll use this our Dasi also. We'll be using this potion magic, right? And we'll be using this Kojikle oil. We'll be using this Citroclear. We'll be using Labijanis. We'll be using this Gluta plus Kojic, and we'll be using Shalom oil for our stretch mark. We'll be using our vitamin E for moisturizing. I told you, if you make any lotion that doesn't moisturize, that's not a lotion. Even if it's a whitening lotion, first of all, let that lotion do what? Have element of moisturizing, so that it can have a beautiful skin. Because if that's why you see some of all those lotion you use, you look pale, because they don't have any element of moisturizing, which is very bad. If your skin doesn't look beautiful before it whitens, it becomes a very, disordered skin. When people see it, becomes like a problem. You understand? So we'll be using this our oil. You all know this oil I've been telling you about. This is one of the oil that I always tell you about, that is very good. It's not those hot oil that you use. No, hot oil that you use for your skin, and the very end of it all you'll be bleaching or find yourself some side effects. You can't even use it for your sensitive part. That's not oil. So that's not. So now, aside that, we'll be using only one powder, which is black magic powder. Alright, this is the best powder so far, I'll be telling you. Though by next week we'll be having new brands of powder. So this is the black magic powder I'll be telling you, which is the original. You see, just 3 grams. You can't even finish 3 grams for this. What are we doing that you put 3 grams? Do you want to burn yourself? Don't do that. Oh. You use just at least a pinch for about 300 ml or 250 ml, because you use this 3 grams for 5 liters of 5 liters. You can use 3 grams of black magic powder for 5 liters. So you should know how effective and strong this powder is. Mona they hear me, both people of Obodo Yibo, Mona they hear me, right? Then after all said and done, you will say, oh, in fact, like this lotion, I don't know, this is my first time, might give me some kind of redness. That's why I'm inviting you to use this one. Are you getting it? So we'll be using this one also to calm every redness. So for us not to go and put any kind of water, you kind of, I will advise you to use this rose water. We have different type of rose water. But if you don't have rose water, you can just boil a water, heat the water very well to a certain degree that it can be used for any of all the dirt will be out of it. So you can filter the water and use. So then plus our preserver and our fragrance. So let's begin like all over again. Now this is our base. What I said, we'll be using this, all of it is our base. Open it and put in a bowl. Don't come and ask me how many this, how many that. That's why I'm trying to be simple and calm, not speaking phony, and coming to vernacular so that you can understand me. Will be safe, because if you come to my WhatsApp and ask me about this particular review I've given to you, this DIY, I won't answer you, because I specifically stated everything. Okay, so this one, open everything inside a bowl, all of it. Put this one. You can use any lotion of your own to be as your base, but I just prefer this because this body milk is one unique that I know that it removes black spot and all that, you know. So please use this one. All right, so put in a bowl. After that, then you bring your concentrate. So for us, some of us want to say, okay, I want this thing to be sharp. It's not by sharp. Lotion is not by sharp. I always tell everybody, you might do it sharp because we know we want people sharp, but why not gradually? So I would want to advise everybody, for you making a body milk lotion like this, if you're making this kind of lotion, you make everything gradually. That's when you see the beauty of body milk. We're using body milk for as a base. So we take this one, like 4 spoons of this one. And what's the name again? I said glutathione. All right. Yes, we have different type of glutathione. Use this particular one. This is a concentrate. All right. So take 4 spoons. All right. Now this kojic, I always see a lot of people use the other type, but I tell them this one, this gluta plus kojic is safe. It's very safe. It have no side effect. Are you getting it? It's very safe, and it will correspond. It will activate this body milk very fast. Are you getting it? To activate it and make your skin look smooth. So that's why I always advise you to use this particular one. You can use only that gluta, or you can use only that kojic. But this one have kojic and gluta together, so I advise you to use 4 spoons as well too. Then you now soak your powder. This powder, better thing about this powder, you can soak it with water. Soak it with your rose water. Dissolve it with your rose water. Very easy as that. Then keep it aside. Are you getting it? Okay, you cannot use just a pinch. When I mean a pinch, you can just tap it, just a pinch, a dot, you know, then dissolve it, keep it aside. Okay, now we'll be using this. You all know this magic potion magic, or magic potion, whichever the name is there. So you cannot use this one 4 spoons as well. Are you getting it? 4 spoons, must be 4 spoons. I know we're heading to 4 spoons. All right. Then what next? You bring this oil. You all know Labijanis oil. We have different type of Labijanis oil. We have the carrot type. We have the papaya type. And there's another one I'm seeing now, a hibiscus type. Are you getting it? So, but let's use this one. This one is so natural that I believe that it's what works for me best. I always tell you to use. So this one is so natural that it will lighten you according to your additives. If you put your additives so much in a way that you want them to, you cannot use the bleaching one. But this one, use this one, so you can use at least 3 spoons. Just 3 spoons is okay for us. 3 spoons for this one now. Okay. Now you cannot bring your citroclear. You see, this citroclear is one. It works like this Labijanis also. It's one powerful serum that I know that it works fast. Are you getting it? That's why I say we don't need to do our lotion sharp. No, it will work fast on its own. It removes every wrinkle, lighten your skin, make your skin look young, make you safe. It's safer for the skin. Are you getting it? So we are now using 3 spoons. All right. Okay. So this Koji Clear. This is a lemon one, Koji Clear. We are using 3 spoons. It's a lightening serum. It's a lightening property. So we're using the same 3 spoons. Now, just because we want to be at the safer side, you all know what this Shalom oil does. Are you getting this for stretch mark? So we'll be using 3 spoons. Okay. Now, this is our vitamin E. So break 10 pieces to make the cream to take its effectiveness, you know, in aspect of moisturizing. So you'll see this is what will give you that effect that you'll be seeing your skin very smooth while the lightening comes up. All right, and it's good for pregnant women also. So this lotion is very good if you are a pregnant woman. This is the best lotion for you. Are you getting it? All right. So then again, to double the effectiveness of this Shalom oil, I will advise you to put 1 injection, 1 bottle. This Dr. Skin. All right, you put 1 of it, 1 bottle. All right. Yes, 1 apple. 1 apple. Yes. Now, let it not be that we did not add any of the tube. All right. So we'll be using this. This one is not too strong like the black one. Anyway, all are the same. We'll be using this one, just 1. All right, getting it? So we'll use 1 of this. We'll use 1 of these. Sometimes I would advise to use maybe Fashion Fair or any other tube of your own choice, or Ladies White tube, or any of. Are you getting it? So, but we'll be using this in this case. Then after that, depend on the quantity of the lotion we've made that you want to make the quantity. If it's too thick, you can use this to lighten it, you know, put it blend any quantity you want. You want to add all of it, you wish it to be watery. I don't want my lotion to be watery, so you can just add like 100 ml, it's okay, or 50 ml. So other than that, I think the cream is good to go. Now you put this oil, 2 spoons, just 2 spoons. Then you blend properly. Then put your preservative. 2 spoons is okay. 2 spoons, that is about 2%, is okay. Then after that, you put your fragrance. Then I say, au revoir. It is done. It is perfect. It is okay. Are you getting me? So these are the additives we've just used for this lotion. For those of you who don't understand it, please go through the video, go through again. Don't come, because when you ask me that question, I don't really have that time to really. That's why I take my time, give you my time right now. So please go through the video again. Now, if you want to, if you know you can't do all this, you want us to promise for you, we can promise for you. Are you getting it? We can promise for you and send to you anywhere you are in the world. Or you want to buy skincare recipe, organic recipe, or you want to buy cosmetics generally, excuse me, or you want to buy, or you want to do training, you want a training, you can also register with us. Yes, you can register with us. You will be granted the opportunity to be with us via video or one-on-one training. Perfect. Are you getting it? So we've come to the end of this class. We ship everywhere: US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia country, all the African countries as a whole. West Africa, South Africa, you want to call it. Even in Nigeria, we deliver everywhere. All type of products. Are you getting it? And the extension to this, we also we sell wigs. We're into wigs as well. You want to buy powerful wigs, straight bone, you might just need the wig. or powerful wigs you want to buy, we sell all of them. And then you want to buy food stuff, for those of us in abroad who want to buy food stuff also, yes, we sell all of them. We ship everywhere. We have a big store for all that. So like I told you, for those who, we are into logistics generally. Are you getting it? So if you want that, any of those items, just contact us in Global Cosmetic and Skincare.